Former Illinois House Speaker Mike Madigan is in the hot seat today, facing cross-examination in his own political corruption trial. He decided to take the stand last week to testify in his own defense. Our Sabrina Franza has been at the Dirksen Federal Courthouse all afternoon, and she joins us with details. Sabrina.
Hi, Marie. There is a total mood change in the courtroom today. Last week, former Illinois House Speaker Michael Madigan testified in his own defense, answering questions from his own attorney. He appeared calm and collected, talking about his upbringing and his career as a legislator. Today was a much different story. Now, the former speaker decided to take the witness stand last week, giving the prosecution days to prepare their cross-examination of Michael Madigan. The Assistant U.S. Attorney wasted no time jumping into what could be the most damaging evidence of this entire months-long trial, a conversation between Madigan and his longtime associate and co-defendant, lobbyist Michael McClain, discussing no-show jobs the prosecution claims Madigan awarded his political workers. McClain said, "Remember, we got him that contract." Madigan says, McClain, "Well, if you remember, some of these guys have made out like bandits." Mike, that's Madigan. McClain responds, "For very little work, too." Madigan agrees. Yeah, McClain says very little work. The prosecution continued to remind the jury about the crux of this case, that Madigan allegedly hired his confidants for his own benefit. In another email, Madigan uses the subject line, "Our friend," to discuss one of those jobs. That email's from Michael McClain. "Our friend" is likely a reference to Madigan. It says, "Our friend has talked to Ed Moody. Please initiate the paperwork." Our legal analyst Irv Miller listened to the cross-examination today, reacting to the difference between last week and now.
That was a devastating piece of evidence that this judge ruled prior to the trial that should not come into evidence because it's so prejudicial, okay? Because Madigan took the stand and testified, the judge ruled that opened up the door for that statement to now come in. Probably the most damaging piece of evidence that's been presented so far in the courtroom. So it's only because he decided to take the stand that Michael Madigan was confronted with that and had to suffer the jury hearing that statement.
And Madigan's testimony is expected to last a few days as the jury listens to video, hears new conversations, and overall receives new evidence about this case. Then it's on to closing arguments, and then it's up to the jury. We're at the Dirksen Federal Courthouse. Sabrina Franza, CBS News, Chicago.